In today's video, I am going to share about a kitchen gadget that has revolutionized the way I store food. We're diving into the features and benefits of the Corsina VS 5738, an 8-in-1 automatic vacuum sealer machine that promises to keep your food fresh longer. Let's get started. This machine offers an impressive 8-in-1 functionality, including options for vacuum sealing and a variety of food modes to handle different preservation needs. Here's what makes the VS 5738 stand out. Number one, multi-functionality. Whether you're sealing dry goods, moist foods, or using canisters, this machine adjusts to your needs. Number two, efficient bag management. It features built-in bag storage and a cutter, allowing you to quickly and easily cut customized bags, no additional tools needed. Number three, power suction. With 95 kPa suction strength, it effectively removes all air, ensuring your food stays fresher longer by preserving its flavor, texture, and nutritional value. And number four, secure handle lock. This feature guarantees an airtight seal, making the process foolproof and ensuring that no air sneaks back into your sealed goods. Notice the LED indicator light. It provides real-time feedback so that you can always know exactly what's happening during the sealing process. Using this vacuum sealer can change the way you store food. It's not only about extending shelf life, but also about saving money in the long run by reducing waste and keeping your groceries in peak condition for longer time. Plus, it's perfect for meal prepping and sous vide cooking. If you're looking to upgrade your food preservation methods, the Corsina VS 5738 is an excellent choice. Its powerful features and simple operation make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Enjoy. If you're tired of clogged drains or want an easier way to manage kitchen waste, stay tuned. Today I'm reviewing a must-have for any kitchen, the two-piece kitchen sink drain strainer and stopper set. This set includes one sink strainer and one sink stopper, designed to fit most standard 3.5-inch kitchen drains. It's a simple yet effective solution for keeping unwanted scraps out of your plumbing and making kitchen cleaning a breeze. Let's dive into what makes this a kitchen essential. Number one is versatility. The stopper fits drains 3 3/8 inches in diameter, perfect for preventing food and waste from causing blockages. It also doubles as a drain stopper, allowing you to fill the sink with water for dishes or cleaning tasks. Number two, effective straining. The strainer's 4.5-inch diameter and finely perforated basket catch even the smallest food particles while ensuring smooth and fast drainage. And number three, durability and maintenance. Both items are rust-proof, promising long-term durability. They're incredibly easy to clean. Simply remove, empty, and place in the dishwasher if needed. And as you can see, no tools are needed, and it fits snugly, preventing any debris from slipping through. Using this strainer and stopper set not only protects your plumbing, but also contributes to a more hygienic kitchen by preventing backslash from garbage disposals. So if you're looking to enhance your kitchen functionality with a simple change, the kitchen sink drain strainer and stopper set is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, effective, and easy to maintain. Enjoy. Hello everyone, it's Maya here, and today I'm thrilled to introduce you to a kitchen game changer, the AutoCook Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. Whether you're in a dorm, on a camping trip, or just need an extra cooking device at home, this might be your new best friend. The AutoCook Hot Pot is not just a cooking pot, it's a portable electric skillet that comes with a steamer, dual power control, and a non-stick frying pan. Its compact design packs a punch with multiple cooking functions, making it ideal for a variety of dishes. First off, this electric pot has a 2-liter capacity with a high rim, perfect for both solo meals and cooking for a group. The removable steamer insert allows you to cook and steam food simultaneously, preserving essential vitamins and delivering intense flavor. With dual power settings, 350 watt for slow cooking and 800 watt for quick heating, you can easily adjust the temperature to suit your recipe. Imagine whipping up everything from pancakes to omelets to more complex dishes like fried rice, all with one appliance. It heats up quickly and evenly thanks to its unique 360-degree annular heating base, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. The pot's interior features a hard aluminum alloy with a PFOA-free non-stick coating and a breeze to clean. Plus, with its built-in overheating protection that automatically shuts off at 180 degrees Celsius, you can cook worry-free. Another great feature is its portability. Lightweight and compact, the AutoCook Hot Pot is perfect for travel, dorms, and small apartments. If you're looking for a versatile, efficient, and safe cooking solution, the AutoCook Hot Pot Electric with Steamer is a fantastic choice. It simplifies meal prep and expands what you can cook without a full kitchen at your disposal. If you love popcorn as much as I do, but want a healthier option, you're going to enjoy today's find. I'm excited to show you the Dash Microwave Popcorn Popper that lets you make fresh theater-style popcorn right at home. This is the Dash Microwave Popcorn Popper. What's fantastic about this is its simplicity and efficiency. It uses nothing but the microwave, meaning no oil or butter is needed unless you choose to add it. This popper comes with a cleverly designed silicone lid that can melt butter over your popcorn as it cooks, if you're in the mood for that classic movie theater taste. But if you're like me and prefer something lighter, just leave the butter out and enjoy pure fresh popcorn in minutes. Also, I use the lid as a measuring cup to know how many kernels I should add to the container. Let's put it to the test. Just add your kernels on the silicone lid, then drop them into the jar. Put the silicone lid on top and set the microwave. There you have it, perfectly popped popcorn that's ready for movie night. Making popcorn in the Dash Popper is not only easy, but also healthier. If you're passionate about popcorn like I am, the Dash Microwave Popcorn Popper is a game changer. It's quick, easy to clean, and makes snack time fun and healthy. If you're looking to streamline your kitchen prep and make cooking a breeze, you've got to check out this incredible gadget I just started using. Today I'm showcasing the Supmakin Upgrade Safe Mandolin Slicer. This isn't just any slicer, it's a versatile kitchen tool that slices, dices, juliennes, and even chops vegetables with amazing ease. This mandolin slicer has a larger feeding port and capacity, making it perfect for handling big vegetables like potatoes and cucumbers without needing to swap out blades. You can adjust it for slices from paper thin up to 8mm thick, and it offers over 40 different cuts. Imagine all the dishes you can prepare with this level of versatility. The design includes a non-slip base and protective handguard to keep your fingers away from the blades, which are made from rust-resistant stainless steel. So for that, I'm getting slices at post-it number 4. So look at this. I want to julienne this carrot, and it says for the carrot, I'm going to turn it up to, in terms of thickness, number 3. Number 3 here, and then this one facing this one and that one, okay? We're just going to experiment and see what happens. Oh, it's looking like it. It's actually doing it much smaller than I would want. Yeah, so sometimes I say good. I mean, it's different kind of sizes, but this could be for a salad for sure. So it looks like I'll do dial 7, and I'm going to turn only the B knob. Oh yeah, look at this. But look at this. This is great. Okay, so and also you move faster, it's almost easier. Right. Wow, that's great. French fries. This is amazing. This is great. I'm going to move on to the next thing, but I want to kind of clean a little bit. I'm going to slice the zucchini. Just to show you, I'm going to do 3 settings, maybe 2, 4, 6, 8. Maybe I'll do 4 settings to show you. What's up there? 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the cucumber, and this time I've cut both ends so that I can just let this all run through. This is perfect. This is number 4. I'm liking these for snacking, so I'm loving these. It even comes with a cleaning brush to help keep all the bits out of the blades. I use a lot of kitchen gadgets, and I can honestly say that this mandolin slicer is becoming my favorite. If you love fresh fruits but dread the prep work, you're going to enjoy what I have to show you today. Let's dive into the world of quick and easy kitchen prep with this amazing fruit corer tool, designed specifically for strawberries, but great for much more. Removing the cores from strawberries is almost effortless. This tool uses a clever design to pinch and extract the entire stem, all without damaging the fruit itself. It's made from durable stainless steel, resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring that it lasts through many fruit seasons. I've been using this for all of my fruit salads and snacks. It's not just for strawberries. I've successfully used it on tomatoes. It's a game changer for quick snacks and preparing dishes. Notice the ergonomic design. It's so comfortable to hold, and the grip is just perfect, making it easy to handle without any strain, even after multiple uses. This tool is incredibly easy to clean, a quick rinse under the tap, and ready to go again. No fuss with food residue at all. It's a perfect tool for anyone who loves to keep their kitchen work quick and their fruits ready to enjoy. So if you're looking to cut down on your prep time and make snacking on fresh fruits easier, this fruit corer is a must-have. Check it out and enjoy. Say goodbye to scratches and damage in your kitchen sink with the new silicone sink mat, your ultimate kitchen protector. Crafted from flexible silicone, this mat is designed to cushion your dishes and protect the finish of your stainless steel, ceramic, or porcelain sink. Not just a protective layer, this mat is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for handling hot pots and pans directly from the stove or oven. You can also use it for cooling baked goods, drying dishes, or even as a food placement mat due to its versatile design. Cleaning is a breeze, as the silicone sink mat is dishwasher safe and resistant to stains and corrosion. Unlike traditional stainless steel mats, it features sturdy non-slip feet that elevate the mat for optimal drainage and airflow. What I like most about the mat is actually the design and how it brings life into my sink. Keep your kitchen or bathroom cabinets in pristine condition with the Astra Home under sink mat. This mat is a game changer for any homeowner dealing with the nuisance of leaks and drips under the sink. Made from high quality flexible silicone, this mat effortlessly fits into standard 36-inch cabinets and lays flat without any warp or curls. Not just for leaks, the mat features a smart drain hole design for easy draining and 3/4-inch lip that holds over 2 gallons, safeguarding your cabinet from water damage and stains. Its multi-purpose functionality means that you can also use it as a cabinet liner, counter mat, craft mat, or even a pet feeding mat. Protect your space from messes and maintain the longevity of your cabinetry with the Astra Home under sink mat. What I love most about it is how together and clean under the sink area now looks, and so I really am happy that I have this and I no longer have to worry about cleaning up a mess. Enhance your kitchen's functionality and style with a hemp rolling kitchen cart crafted with a slick stainless steel countertop. It's perfect for food prep and easy to clean. Made from durable rubber wood and featuring stylish metal handles, this cart offers both elegance and reliability. Navigate smoothly around your kitchen with its 360-degree rotating wheels and convenient side pull handle. Need more storage? This cart boasts 2 spacious drawers and large lower shelves to keep your essentials organized. Whether you're serving up drinks or need extra space for meal prep, this kitchen island cart measures 40.1 by 20.47 by 36.62 inches, providing ample utility and a compact mobile design. It's perfect for any home chef or entertainer. Say goodbye to water mess around your sink with the revolutionary 5-degree slope kitchen sink splash guard. This gray silicone faucet mat is a game changer for keeping your sink area neat and dry. Designed with a smart 5-degree slope, this mat ensures water flows back into the sink smoothly, preventing puddles and water spots around your faucet. Its impressive 24-inch length covers the entire sink area, making it perfect for single or double sinks. Whether you're in the kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room, this silicone mat adapts to your needs and keep your counters dry and organized. Hello, fruit lovers and health enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a must-have gadget for all pomegranate fans, the Over the Moon pomegranate de-seeder. If you love pomegranates but dread the mess and the hassle of de-seeding them, this tool is going to change your life. Getting to those juicy seeds can be a real challenge, and that's where the Over the Moon de-seeder steps in to make your life easier. Just cut your pomegranate in half, place it onto the de-seeding tool, and then cover it with the included silicone dome. Gently tap down. Once secure, use a spoon to tap the top of the dome. It's designed to effectively dislodge the seeds, allowing them to fall into the bowl below without any splatter or mess. And clean the seeds. This dome not only minimizes mess, but also helps filter out most of the white membrane. Today, I'm excited to share a simple yet game-changing kitchen hack that's going to make your baking sessions a breeze. Let's talk about the Cook's Innovation Non-Stick Oven Protection Mat. Have you ever dreaded the post-baking cleanup, especially when something spills or drips to the bottom of your oven? Well, those days are over. This oven protection mat is designed to catch all those spills and burns before they become a problem. Let me show you how it works. It comes in a generous 16.5 by 23 inches, but the best part, you can cut it to fit any size oven or air fryer. It's made from 100% non-stick PTFE, which means nothing sticks. Not only does it protect your oven from those dreaded drips from pies and casseroles, but it's also incredibly easy to clean. After baking, you can either wipe it down with a damp cloth or pop it in the dishwasher. Yes, it is dishwasher safe. I've been using this mat for a while and it's a lifesaver. It's especially perfect for those of us who love baking but hate the cleanup. And because it's black, it blends in seamlessly with the oven interior and it's hardly noticeable. If you want to keep your oven clean and make your life a little easier, I highly recommend giving the Cook's Innovation Oven Protector Mat a try. Unboxing something special for all you cooking enthusiasts out there, the Mega Festa Frittata Pan. Perfect for those who love making Spanish tortillas, but find flipping them a bit tricky. Here it is, the Mega Festa Frittata Pan. It's beautifully designed and feels really sturdy. Made from vitrified steel, known for its durability and shiny finish, it promises to be a long-lasting addition to our kitchens. This pan features a double-layer non-stick coating, which means your food won't stick, and it should be super easy to clean. Plus, it's designed to work on all types of stovetops, including induction, which is great for energy efficiency. Let's put it to the test with a Spanish tortilla. The ergonomic handle looks comfortable to hold, which should make flipping the tortilla much easier. Notice how the non-stick surface works as I move the ingredients around. No sticking, and it cooks evenly thanks to the full induction base that requires less energy. All right, the moment of truth, flipping the tortilla. Thanks to this ergonomic handle, I can get a good grip, and there we go, a perfect flip with no mess. And here's our perfectly cooked Spanish tortilla. If you enjoy making dishes that require flipping or want an energy-efficient, durable pan, the Magafesa frittata pan might be your new best friend in the kitchen. Well, I've discovered a fantastic solution that I can't wait to share with you. Let's check out these innovative overnight oats containers from Solid. Right out of the box, you'll notice the slick design of these glass mason jars. Each jar comes with a smartly designed lid that not only stores a folding spoon, but also keeps it clean and ready to use. These jars are all about convenience and keeping your meal fresh. They feature a special compartment for dry ingredients like fruits and nuts, keeping them separate from the oats until you're ready to mix them. This means no more soggy breakfasts. Let's make some overnight oats together. I'll add the oats, pour in some milk, and then top it off with my favorite fruits and nuts in the separate compartment. The spoon folds right into the lid, so everything you need is right here in one compact package. Whether you're heading to work, school, or even the gym, these oat containers are a game changer. They're perfect for meal preppers and anyone looking to streamline their morning routine without sacrificing a nutritious start to their day. If you're as excited about these as I am, you'll want to try them out for yourself. They make eating healthy on the go not just easier, but also a lot more enjoyable.